Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends onto your Counter-Strike 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to add any friends onto your game, then just click on Friends and Chat at the bottom right corner. This will now open up the Friends tab, where alongside Friends, you will see the plus friend icon. Go ahead and click on this, and this will take you into the Add a Friend menu. You will see your friend code, which you can copy and share with any person who wishes to add you as a friend. And you can also enter the friend code of any person that you wish to add. You can also try to search for your friend by using the search box underneath. Just type in the username of the person, and once you find this person, just tap on the Add as Friend button. And now this will send a friend request to this person, and when they tap on the Accept button, you will become friends with this user right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add someone as a friend on Counter-Strike 2. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.